students, today we discuss about that portion of science subject for 6 students. Subject. What's the first chapter means no sources of food, second one components of food, third one cleaning of food and separation of substances, then fourth one materials of daily use class, then fifth chapter kinds of materials, then sixth chapter changes around us. In the changes around us, you should know about the types of changes. Then seventh chapter plants, forms and their functions. So these are the portions, 7 chapters for that quarterly examination. So kindly revise that, what are the given in that book, then as well as I can give the notes also, then extra questions we should learn that, then inside the book also I will answer questions. So you should read fully, lesson fully thoroughly, okay. So first chapter source of food, we should learn about what are the products we can get from the plants and animals. Then second chapter we should know about that nutrients, the other name for components that are all nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, about that. Then what are the diseases caused by the deficiency of minerals and vitamins, also study in that lesson. Then third chapter cleaning of food and separation of substances, that are all what are the methods we are using to separate the substances, mixture of that we can study in the third lesson. Then fourth chapter, what are that no materials of daily use, the same as well as fibers, we can study about the fibers. In this lesson we study about that natural fibers, there are two that only we can study in that, cotton and jute. Then another one thing, what is no hemp and flax plant, that also study in that lesson. Then fifth one kinds of materials, you should know about that, there are different kinds of materials you are using surround us, okay. Hard materials, soft materials, rough, smooth, then transparency, depend on that, floating of that substances in the water, that are all you can study in that lesson. Then next sixth one, what is the no changes around us, what are the changes around us means reversible and irreversible changes we can study in that lesson, that also. Then seventh one, the important, what is the no plants, what are the parts of the plants and their functions, then what are types of plants also we can study in that lesson. So these are 7 chapters, already we revised so many times, I think so. So please all of you listen children, you can read that all the lessons, okay. Then inside the book also you can understand and read, okay. Then only it is keep in your mind, okay. Don't mug up all the things, okay. Please don't memorize all the things, please understand and read that, please enjoy and read, that's very important, okay. Don't read the difficult, don't feel that one. Then next one, what is that no, there are 2 kinds of that, we can split in that total marks 100 marks, we know that. First day we should write that Google form test, that means out of 40 marks choose the correct answer only in that pattern. Then second day we can going to write summative assessment, that means descriptive method writing, okay, out of 60 marks. So totally how many marks we are going to write means no 100 marks we are going to write, okay children. Then what are the pattern, next we are discuss about the pattern, question paper pattern, what are that means no. First one, first Roman, you can do that, choose the correct answer 5, okay. Then next fill in the blanks 8, then answer in one word 7, we know that only one word you should write for that each question, that one each question carry 1 mark. So these that, so 5, 8, 7, these are 1 mark questions. The next one, fourth Roman, answer the following, this is 2 marks question, you can write that answer in the 2 lines or 3 lines for that. The next one, fifth one, what is the answer the following in detail, okay, it's like a paragraph. Then in that detailed question answer, so many there, different there, distinguish between there, then diagram also there, explanation also there, you can ask that in that. In that out of 7 lessons, I will ask 7, from that you should write any 4. So I will ask that 7 question answers, that you can write any 4 of the following. So totally how many marks you are going to write means no 60 marks, okay. So 5 into 1, then choose the correct answer 5 marks, fill in the blanks 8 marks, then answer in one word 7, then answer the following. Each question carry 2 marks, so 10 question they are going to write, so 10 into 2 20 marks. Then detailed question answer you are going to write only 4 question answers. So how many marks you are going to write means no 20 marks. So out of that 60 marks you are going to write descriptive method. So this is all that I will explain all the things, okay. So you don't worry about that, you don't difficult about that also, whatever you know about that topic, whatever you know about that question that no related you can write means, okay. Don't leave any one question in that question paper, please attend all the questions, okay children, all the best.